Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make popcorn in a microwave without using prepackaged microwave popcorn bags. Chances are you've heard of popcorn lung. This has been more recently in the news because of vaping and smoking. What some people don't realize though is that popcorn lung actually gets its name from its origin, which is microwave popcorn bags. Popcorn lung, which is also called bronchiolitis obliterans, is when the smallest parts of your lungs scar, making it so you can't inhale enough oxygen. This is especially bad for people who make the microwave popcorn bags because they're consistently breathing in that air. You also breathe that in that air when you open a microwave popcorn bag that you make at home. Today we're going to be going over the materials you'll need, how to go about making it, and why you should bother making it. Making popcorn in this way is more safe, more customizable, and cheaper. So the first part is materials. There are other methods you could use, but they tend to be less consistent and more unsafe, such as using a glass bowl with a dinner plate on top. We'll be using this microwave popcorn maker from Pampered Chef. Obviously, you'll need popcorn seeds, which are virtually the same at any retailer, so you don't have to worry about the differences. That's all you need, but there's also a few optional items. You'll need some kind of oil. My family uses coconut oil, but you could use sesame, peanut, or any other kind you want. The next thing you would need is seasoning, which again, you can use any kind you want. My family just uses popcorn salt, but you could use cheddar cheese, ranch, whatever works. Instead of oil, you could also use melted butter, which does affect the flavor of the popcorn. It gives it a slightly nutty flavor. So now we'll be going on to how you would use it. So the first step is to take inventory, make sure you have all your parts. The first part is the lid and the bowl that comes out from inside of it. You also have the bowl itself, which you would uncollapse. The reason it's collapsible is just because it makes for easy storage. So first off, you would measure either up to a quarter cup of seeds into this bowl, which would be filling it all the way to the top. You would then pour it into the popcorn bowl. Next, you could stop there. If you were to stop there, you would microwave it for 2 minutes and then you'd be good to go. If you use oil, you would measure out either 1 tablespoon or 2 and pour it into this cup. You would then close the lid, put it back in here, and put your lid on top. If you were using butter instead of oil, you would still use 1 or 2 tablespoons, but you would leave the lid open so that way the butter could properly melt. Again, if you do use butter, it changes the texture slightly. It might brown, but that's normal. So once you have your lid either open or closed, you would put it in the microwave for 3 to 3.5 minutes, depending on how much oil you used. When it's out of the microwave, make sure you're careful when taking the lid off because a lot of steam will come out. You might have to wait a few minutes before you're able to eat it. When you're done, you don't actually wash this with soap. I don't know why, but you just clean it out the same way you would normally wash a dish, just without using dish soap. Then you can collapse it again and put it away until the next time. This would make about 5 cups, which is a lot of popcorn. They also have a family size, which makes even more. So it just depends on how much you want. Now we're going to be talking about the benefits. Why would you go through all of that when you could just pop a bag in the microwave? The first reason is that it's better for the environment. You won't be using unnecessary cardboard and plastic when you're using something reusable. The second part is, again, you won't be breathing in that harmful chemical. You won't be breathing in that harmful chemical, so it's already better for your health. There's also more customization options, which means it could also potentially be healthier than what you would consume out of a instant microwave popcorn bag. I would argue that the biggest factor, actually, though, is cost. I'm going to get a bit into this here, so hang with me. The microwave popcorn maker costs $26 according to the Pampered Chef website. $45 ounces of popcorn kernels cost $6. 15 ounces of oil costs $7. And 35 ounces of seasoning costs $15. These are all according to these specific brands as listed on the Walmart website. So this is according to my own calculations. I divided what you would need for an individual serving. A serving in this case would be 5 cups, as that's what would fill up this bowl. So 1/4 cup of seeds would be 53 cents. If you want, you could stop there. That means it would cost you 53 cents to make 5 cups of popcorn. Additionally, a 1/2 ounce of oil is 23 cents and 1 ounce of salt is 42 cents. Together, that means it's $1.18 per 5 cups of popcorn if you use this method. Now, this box of microwave popcorn bags contains 6 roughly 3.3 ounce bags, and it costs about $6 and it contains 12 bags. That is equal to 4.9 cups. So you're already spending almost $5 more than you need to. So you have $1.18 per 5 cups versus almost $6 for not quite 5 cups. I think anybody can see the better option. It's way cheaper. So, a review. We went over the materials needed to make popcorn in a microwave, how you would go about using this method, and the benefits of using this method versus using instant microwave popcorn bags. I hope you'll reconsider the way you make popcorn and consider what's best for your health, the environment, and your own pockets. Thank you.